Discovering the Heart of Nature, an English language journey. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a beautiful and poetic phrase, the heart of nature. This expression is rich in imagery and meaning, and understanding it can add depth to your English comprehension and expression. Let's dive into the heart of this phrase together. The heart of nature is a metaphorical expression that paints a vivid picture using just a few words. The word heart is key here, as it's often used in English to refer to the central or most important part of something. It's not just a physical organ but symbolizes emotion, essence, and life. When we say the heart of nature, we're talking about the core or essence of the natural world. This can mean the most untouched, pristine parts of nature, where life thrives in its most fundamental and pure form. It can also refer to the intrinsic beauty and vitality that nature holds, which is essential for the well-being of our planet. Imagery is a powerful tool in language that allows writers and speakers to create vivid pictures in the minds of their audience. It uses descriptive language that appeals to our senses, helping us to see, hear, feel, taste, or smell the subject being described. In the phrase, the heart of nature, imagery helps us visualize the vitality and beauty of the natural world. It encourages us to think deeply about our connection to nature and the importance of preserving it. Through such expressions, language transcends mere communication and becomes an art form that evokes emotion and reflection. You might use the heart of nature in various contexts to enhance your communication. Here are a few examples. In creative writing, to describe a setting that's vibrant and full of life. In speeches or essays about environmental conservation, to emphasize the intrinsic value of nature. In everyday conversation, to express a longing for or a memorable experience in a natural, untouched environment. Understanding and using phrases like this can enrich your English speaking and writing, allowing you to convey complex ideas and emotions effectively. We hope you've enjoyed this journey into the heart of nature, and that you now have a deeper understanding of this expressive phrase. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's also about conveying beauty, emotion, and the essence of our experiences. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating aspects of the English language together.